Welcome to my Kcse Mathematics Revision channel. I'm teacher Marita. Kindly subscribe my channel, watch and share. We are looking at Kcse revision on mixtures and proportion, but today we are looking at mixtures. So at the rate report, maize for Kenya shillings 20 per kilogram and the beans for 60 shillings per kilogram. So 1 kg of maize is costing 20 shillings and 1 kg of beans is costing 60 shillings. That is 1 kg of maize 20 shillings, 1 kg of beans 60 shillings. She mixed the maize, she mixed the kilograms of maize and the kilograms of beans and sold 30 mixture at 48 shillings per kilogram. Sold 30 mixture at 48 shillings per kilogram. If she made a 60% profit, determine the ratio maize beans per kg in the mixture. So we start by finding the buying price. So we have our buying price. We start by looking the buying price. The buying price, 1 kg of maize is costing 20 shillings. So if we let M stand for kg of maize and 1 kg is costing 20 shillings, so we take 20 times, this is 20 shillings per 1 kg of maize, and 1 kg of maize is equivalent, is the same as M. Then plus the beans, which is costing 60 shillings per kilogram. So we have, this is 60p. That is the buying price. After mixing the beans, the kilograms of maize and the kilogram of beans, she sold the mixture at 48 shillings per kilogram. So what we need to get here, it is the selling price. So the selling price is the same as 48 per kilogram, but remember it is a mixture. It is a mixture of maize and a mixture of maize and beans. So this is equivalent to 48 times M is 48M. Then plus 48 times P, this is giving us 48P. This is the selling price. So we have buying price 20M plus 60M, where M is the number of kilograms of maize and P is the number of kilograms of beans. Then the selling price is the same as 48 into M plus P. That is, now this is the mixture of maize plus beans. So the total kilograms of maize and beans is costing 48 shillings per kilogram. And this one is giving us 48M plus 48P. So after selling 48 kilograms per kilo, after selling 48 shillings per kilogram of the mixture, she made a profit of 60%. So initially it was 100%, so increasing by 60%. So we have the profit here, which is 160. So the profit is 160. Initially it was 100, so it was increased by a profit of 60%, so it becomes 100. All over the original is 100%. This is equivalent to P. Remember, to get the profit is a percentage profit is the percentage profit. We have the selling price all over the buying price. So the selling price, the selling price is 48. The selling price is 48M plus 48p. That is the selling price. Then we have the buying price. Our buying price is 20M plus 60p. So this is 160 all of 100, because after selling this mixture at 48 shillings per kilogram, she made a profit of 60%. That is why we have this 160 all of 100. So from here we can do cross multiplication, but we can simplify this one first. Dividing by 2, this one is we get 8 then we get this is 5. When we divide it by 20, 160 by 20 is giving us 8, 100 by 20 is giving us 5. And therefore, this is equivalent to P 48M plus 48P. Then you divide by 20M plus 60P. Cross multiplication. We can do a cross multiplication here. So we have 8 into 20M plus 60P is equivalent to P 5. Then we have 48M, then plus 48P. We can open here. This is giving us 160M plus this is 240, 480. So we have this is 480P, which is equals to P. 48 times 5 is giving us 240. So this is 240M, then plus 5 times 48 is giving us 240P. So we can collect our like terms together. So we have 420 minus 240. So on this side we remain with 240P is equals to P. We have 240 minus, now this is 160. So 240 minus 260, this is giving us 8. We have this one as 8M. You can look at that 8 can divide here and it can divide here. So we divide both sides by 8. We divide here by 8 and this one we divide by 8. We get 3P is equals to P, and 3P is equals to PM, or 3P is equivalent to P. 3P is equivalent to P1M. So we can divide, you divide this one by 3, and on this side here you divide by 3. Then again, to remove this M, you can divide here by M, then you divide this one by M, and this one is giving us 3 by 3, we remain with P all over M, which is equals to P, M and M. So this one is remains 1 all over 1 over 3. So the question were to find the ratio maize to pins. So maize to the ratio pins is equals to P. It is 1 to the ratio 1 to ratio 3. So that is you can get the ratio of the mixture. So you start by finding the buying price, then you have the selling price. After selling the mixture at 48 shillings per kilogram, she realized a profit of 60%. So that is why we have 160 over 100 is equals to P this one. You can simplify here. You get that the value of P is equals to P1, which is pins. The value of P is equals to P3. So it means here for every 1 kilogram, in every 1 kilogram of pins, we have 3 kilograms of maize. In every 1 kilogram of pins, we have 3 kilograms of pins. So the ratio maize to pins is 1 to ratio 3.